Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this Bobbi Boss unit. She is very long, and of course the color is nice and cute. So if you're interested in where you can purchase this unit and of course the specs, then please keep on watching. So in today's video I have this unit from Bobbi Boss, and her name is Velena, and this is brought to you by Beauty Exchange Beauty Supply. So if you're interested in where you could purchase this in the beauty supply itself or online, please be sure to keep to the end of this video so you all can get that type of information. Now let's get into the specs of this unit. So this unit is a very long Bobbi Boss unit. She isn't a 13x7 or anything like that. It's just a center part unit, as you all can see here. All I did was add some wax stick and a heat to it so that way it stays nice and flat, and also put my little concealer there, my powder actually, in the middle part area. So you can wear this off to the side if you would like, because it has no air tabs, so it doesn't make anything uncomfortable. But of course, you know I love my middle part, so this is what it looks like right here. Now this is a 5.5 deep lace, so it does go to the crown of your head. It stops literally right at the crown of your head there, and it does have a lot of parting space, which is really good. The lace is quite nice as well, and it blends pretty nicely with my powder, and I didn't need to do much to it. Of course, you can put your lace tint as well as the powder or concealer, so that way it stays nice and natural. As far as the cap goes, it is a MediFresh cap, which is, you know, there's no sort of germs or anything like that within the cap, so you can be assured that it is a clean cap so that you can wear it as well. It's not an issue or anything like that. And it does come with baby hairs. They're quite thin, so you may need to add a little bit more if you would like, but they do come with baby hairs where you can also trim off or use it if you would like. And of course there is a flex cap. It does have a lot of flex to it, so if you have a smaller head size, it may be a little bit of an issue, but there is 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, so you can adjust as you go. It shouldn't be a problem. I don't have any issues with it. I haven't used the combs. I usually don't, so this hair fits me quite well. In terms of the heat safety, as far as that, like I always say, please keep it within a reasonable amount. You don't want it too hot, or you don't want it too, not too hot, because you want it right in the middle, like 350 to 375 in Fahrenheit. That way it could stay nice and not burn the unit, because of course this is a synthetic unit. You cannot bleach this, you cannot dye it or anything like that, unless if you're using synthetic dyes. You can definitely go ahead with that. In the beginning, as you all can tell, I was cutting off the lace. It was ear-to-ear lace. There's just the middle part. So if you're looking for something that is just in the middle and you're trying to just rock something out real quick, this will be the one for you. This color is the HL burgundy / red burgundy. So it does come with this 1B, then it goes into this darker kind of 99J and a lighter burgundy at the end. And this is the curl at the end. It's nice and loose, and the hair is very, very soft. I love how soft this is. It's gorgeous, and it feels very nice through the hands. It doesn't feel too synthetic like. It feels really good for a synthetic unit. One thing I do have a lot with this unit, it does come with a little bit of shedding, not that much, but it is there. It is because of what I cut the lace. Things like that do happen, so it's not unorthodox for that to happen, but it does have a little bit of tangling as well because of the length. Of course, the length is quite long, so you will get some tangling there. Now let's get into the fun part. When you are on beautyexchange.com, you will notice that when you click on every single color, doesn't matter if it's a 1 or 1B, or even this color, is not an extra fee. So that is great, because I know a lot of you are probably wondering, does it have an extra fee? It does not. So definitely head over to Beauty Exchange. They are located across Florida, Georgia, and Ohio. So they have 25 locations within those 3 states, which is pretty awesome. So if you are living within one of those states and you're trying to get this wig or any other wig that they may have, you can definitely go and check them out in person. They do have 25 locations within those 3 states. And if you're like myself, you are in New York City or anywhere else other than those 3 states, you can definitely go ahead and purchase on beautyexchange.com. It's mybeautyexchange.com, so you all can go ahead and check them out. There's free shipping over $55 also, which is awesome. And of course, they're on all social media platforms at Beauty Exchange. So they're on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. All of those social media platforms, they are there. So whatever deals that they do have, you can definitely go ahead and check that out. Any percentages that they have off, definitely check it out. They have some great deals, especially on this unit, considering that you don't have to pay extra for this gorgeous color or any other colors that they may have. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, please be sure to check out mybeautyexchange.com or follow them on all of their social media platforms. Or if you're within those 3 states, Florida, Georgia, or Ohio, you could definitely go check them out in person within those 25 locations. So definitely go ahead and check them out. I am quite excited to, see whatever else units that they do have. They are quite affordable, so please go check them out. I've looked through their website and I can say that I'm impressed by the prices. So if you are interested, please be sure to check those links in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, as well as follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.